Hi everyone, myself Divya, studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering in Information Science and Engineering. Today in this video we are going to discuss about the subject Indian Knowledge System and the topic Astronomy in Indian Knowledge System. Introduction to Astronomy in Indian Knowledge System. The Indian knowledge system has a rich tradition of astronomical studies dating back thousands of years. It integrates scientific observation with spiritual and cultural beliefs. This presentation explores the historical and philosophical aspects of Indian astronomy. Indian knowledge system is related to health and wellness, traditional knowledge in mathematics, traditional medicines, yoga, Vedas, preserving arts, culture and tradition, ancient structures and design, astronomy and conscious studies. Ancient Indian texts on astronomy. Texts like Vedas, Brahmanas, and Puranas contain references to celestial phenomena. The Surya Siddhanta is one of the earliest classical treatises on astronomy and mathematics. This text reflects a sophisticated understanding of the cosmos from ancient times. The Surya Siddhanta. It is a foundational astronomical treatise dating back to at least 4th to 5th century CE. The text planetary motions, eclipse, and calculation of time. It has influenced both Indian and Islamic astronomy over centuries. Indian cosmology and the universe. Indian cosmology often depicts the universe as cyclic with infinite cycles of creation and destruction. The concept of multiple worlds and realms is prevalent in Indian scriptures. This idea has shaped Indian philosophical preservatives on the cosmos. Nakshatras and lunar mansions. The Indian zodiac is based on 27 nakshatras or lunar mansions. Each nakshatra has specific characteristic and mythological significance. They are used for astrological purpose and timing agricultural activities. 27 lunar mansion has been provided here, you can refer it. The role of astrology or Jyotisha. Jyotisha is one of the six Vedants or auxiliary disciplines in Vedic studies. It combines astronomy with astrology to determine auspicious timings. Astrologically, it guides rituals, festivals, and important decisions. Mathematical foundations of Indian astronomy. Indian astronomers developed advanced mathematical techniques, including trigonometry. The concept of zero as a placeholder was a significant mathematical breakthrough. These mathematical tools enhanced astronomical calculations and predictions. Culture and history of mathematics in studies in Indian mathematics and astrology. Selected articles of Kripa Shankar Shukla. Aryabhatta and early Indian astronomy. Aryabhatta 476 to 550 CE proposed a heliocentric model and explained lunar and solar eclipse. He introduced the concepts of Earth rotation on its axis. His work laid the foundation for later Indian astronomers. Varahi Mihra and Pancha Siddhanta. Varahi Mihra 505 to 587 CE compiled the Pancha Siddhanta, a comprehensive astronomical treatise. It describes planetary position, eclipses, and calendar calculations. His work synthesized earlier traditions and improved accuracy. Kerala School of Astronomy and Mathematics. The Kerala School, 14th to 16th centuries, made significant advancement in trigonometry and calculus. They developed infinite series expansions and predating European calculus. Their astronomical models improved the precision of planetary calculation. Astronomical instruments in ancient India. Instruments like Ganoman and Archimedes spheres were used for observations. These tools helped in measuring the sun's declination and celestial angles. Text describes sophisticated design for astronomical observation. Indian contributions to eclipses and celestial events. Indian astronomers accurately predicted lunar and solar eclipses. They understood the mechanisms of eclipses and their periodicity. Their calculations often matched modern predictions closely. Indian mythology and celestial symbols. Many Indian myths and deities are associated with celestial bodies and phenomena. For example, Surya the sun, Chandra the moon are central figures. These symbols reflect the integration of astronomy into religious and cultural life. Astronomy in Indian temples. Several temples, like the Sun Temple at Konark, have architectural figures aligned with celestial events. These structures serve as astronomical observations and calendars. They demonstrate advanced understanding of solar and lunar eclipses. Influence of Indian astronomy and other cultures. Indian astronomical knowledge influenced Persian, Arab, and Southern Eastern Asian tradition. Islamic astronomers adopted and adapted Indian methods in their own systems. This cross-cultural exchange enriched global astronomical knowledge. Modern Indian astronomy. India established its space agency ISRO in 1969, making a new era of astronomical research. Indian telescopes and satellites contribute significantly to global space research. The Indian astronomical community contributes to innovate and explore the universe. Indian Astronomical Research Institutions. Key institutions include the Indian Institute of Astrophysics and the Tata Institute of Fundamental Research. These organizations conduct research in astrophysics, cosmology, and planetary science. They collaborate internationally to advance astronomy. Celebrating Indian astronomical heritage. Events like National Science Day promote awareness of Indian astronomical achievements. Museums and heritage sites preserve ancient astronomical instruments and texts. Promoting education in astronomy fosters appreciating of Indian scientific heritage. Challenges and future of Indian astronomy. Overcoming and funding technological barriers remaining a challenge for Indian astronomers. Emerging projects like a 30-meter telescope aims to expand observational capabilities. Continued integration of traditional knowledge and modern science can enrich future discoveries. Conclusion and reflection. Indian knowledge system has made profound contributions to our knowledge, understanding of the cosmos. Its integration of philosophy, mathematics, and observation offers a holistic view of astronomy. Preserving and advance their heritage will inspire future generations of astronomers. India has a rich tradition of folklore practices even to date. While both these forms of knowledge are equally important and valuable, it is impossible to formally study knowledge transmitted through oral tradition. Therefore, by knowledge of formal reciprocity of knowledge available in literary sources, knowledge privileges all three domains spiritual, religious, and other addressing social and day to day issues. Thank you for watching this video.